In this video, you are going to see how to add blank lines in Microsoft Word document. We can apply three methods. Let us write here name and ID. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and hold down the Shift key and you can drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline and make it black outline. You may change the white from here. There is another way. From your keyboard, you can put this line very easily. You will get this line over here. Let me show you in the on-screen keyboard. Here is the option. Just press Shift button and this one, then you can draw it like this. There is another option. Let me delete this one and this also. Select this, go to over here, paragraph setting, go to tabs. Let us write here 3 and choose this option and click on OK. Now press the tab here and you can insert the blank line. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.